There's a bird in this house and he does what he please. He's got a yellow crest and he does as he sees. His name is Edmond, Edmond the bird, the cheekiest cockatiel you ever have heard. He wakes up in the morning with a whistle and a tweet. He fluffs up all his feathers and he stomps his little feet. Edmond, Edmond, flying through the hall. Edmond, Edmond, he don't care at all. Whistling and zooming, going round and round, the cheekiest little birdie in the whole wide town. He'll zoom past your head when you're watching your show. He'll land on your shoulder and he'll never let go. He'll whistle a tune that nobody knows, then he'll ruffle his feathers and away he goes. Edmond, Edmond, flying through the hall. Edmond, Edmond, he don't care at all. Whistling and zooming, going round and round, the cheekiest little birdie in the whole wide town. Edmond, Edmond, what are you doing up there? Edmond, Edmond, get out of my hair! He just whistles back like he owns the place, with that cheeky little look on his cheeky little face. Edmond, Edmond, flying through the hall. Edmond, Edmond, he don't care at all. Whistling and zooming, going round and round, the cheekiest little birdie in the whole wide town. The sun goes to sleep, Edmond tucks in his head for a little birdie sleep. Good night, Edmond, you cheeky little thing. We'll do it all again tomorrow. Whistle, zoom, and sing.